What's up, Ender fam? We're gonna take a quick break from working on the Deuce to set up this new 36-inch Blackstone griddle we just got. I said we're gonna take a break.
Take a break?
Yeah, we gotta set this up.
Oh! Okay, so I guess we're taking a break to unveil the Blackstone griddle. We're in the shop, Dylan and I, a few weeks ago and said we spend all of our time out here, why not eat out here? So we call up Blackstone and they send us this for the shop. Let's open her up and see what we got.
What's in the box? We're gonna pull everything out and show you. So it looks like the majority of this is pre-assembled. Wanna lift this out with me?
Yeah. It looks to me like it's basically the griddle's gonna be upside down.
Check that out.
You know what? Let's set it on the box here.
Yeah, there you go. So.
Oh, there's already wheels on this side.
Oh wow. Let's find the instructions.
Yeah, we'll find the instructions. Oh, okay.
There's the griddle. Is that heavy? Is that a couple pieces?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, these are the side trays.
The first thing you'll see, really the first big thing you'll see is the main part of the griddle. That sits upside down. Over here we have the actual griddle, which is super heavy, and the lower tray. These are the two side trays. The instruction manual and owner's manual, some ancillary knobs and screws, which I'm sure we'll get into in a little bit, and then Dylan's opened up a couple of boxes. Looks like a grease tray and some handles and wheels. So this doesn't look like that complicated of a build. First thing we'll talk about are the tools necessary to assemble the griddle. It looks like, based on the picture, a crescent wrench and a screwdriver. The very first thing to install are the two wheels that are not already installed, and it's obvious to us that it looks like you'll probably want either wrenches or two crescent wrenches.
Let's pull this nut off of here. Keep both of these big, I don't know, what do you call these, hubs? Those washers. Get these finger tight first. One of these is a 9/16. Step two, well, we already pulled the legs up, so then install the bottom shelf by tightening two large thumb screws. These two. And, oh, we should pull that little twisty off.
Don't forget the twisty.
Trick is lining up this hole.
Step three, side trays. So those two are these trays in plastic. And remember, we're upside down. So I'll put this upside down, slide it in slots, and then there are two small thumb screws for each side. So as per the instructions, step 4 is to flip it over with the help of a friend. And we'll kick the box out of the way. Wow, starting to look like a griddle.
9/16.
After you flip the griddle over, to finish step 4 is to put on the handle.
To get that handle on, you'll need these 4 screws and nuts. Find the handle in the longer of the 2 brown boxes that come out of there.
And with the help of your buddy, it goes much quicker.
How many mechanics does it take to put a handle on the side of a griddle?
And this is where you'll want your Phillips and your crescent to tighten this down.
Top.
Tight, tight, tight.
Step 5, put the griddle on. Look at that.
Wow. Step 6 is to attach the bracketry for your propane bottle. Comes in the little box, also with 4 bolts and 4 nuts. The instructions call for 1 crescent. You really need 2. So the instructions are pretty self-explanatory, but this triangular piece goes to the top of this bar, square tubing. And this bottom half circle little piece, you're gonna wanna make sure that the little flange here is pointed up so your bottle can hang in there. Like the popular 1980s movie that you may or may not have ever seen, batteries are not included. So now we got to put that in.
Where is it?
Aha! Finally found where the battery goes. Positive side of the battery goes out. And when you're putting this back on, be careful not to strip the threads or over tighten. Push button, here click, you're in business.
I think we missed part of a step.
Did we miss?
Where do those go?
There's only 10 steps, Dylan.
Where do those go on? How do you put them on? Ah, it's part of step 1. Put the handles on. Well, it's easier to do it after it's upright anyway. Just put the handles on.
1 for you, 1 for me.
2 for you. No, 2 for me. Wait. 2 for me.
2 for you.
2 for me.
2 for me.
No, what? 2. Oh, I got 2.
So do I.
Well, you can't mess this up. There's a flat spot.
And an arrow.
Push to turn.
On the off.
We gotta put the propane tank on.
We have to put the propane tank on.
To put the tank on, you get your little circle up here on that, and then down here slides right into this little slot. Now we can hook it up. And assuming this propane tank is full,
it's important to take a second to realize just what you can do on this griddle. You can cook 48 eggs, or 72 hot dogs,
or 28 chickens. There are 30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
30 cows in a field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
How many didn't?
How many didn't what?
How many didn't?
Pancakes.
No, pancake. Oh, 28 pancakes.
28 pancakes.
16 T-bone steaks.
And apparently you can cook asparagus, but nobody really knows how many asparagus you can get on there. So if you...
Oh, no, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 asparagus.
5 asparagus. I have a feeling that's
20 fish fillets.
And veggies, we don't care about those. We just put those on
no. Well, those are on this side. And
all right, let's rip this off.
Some grilled cheese.
And season this thing.
Let's do it. That was easy. We missed another step.
Oh no, it's not a step. That's a bonus inside the package. This is a bonus.
Oh, it's a bonus.
A bonus.
Okay, so that must go.
The grease all runs this direction, I believe.
Well, that was easy.
Grease trap.
All right, Mr. Cameraman. There are 30 cows in the field and 28 chickens. How many didn't?
28 didn't. There's 28 chickens.
No.
Chickens don't do it, dude.
No, how many did?
Chickened out.
Let me slow it down for you. Okay, there's 30 cows in the field.
30 cows in a field.
And 28 chickens.
And there's 28 chickens.
How many didn't?
How many didn't do anything at all? The 28 chickens, because they're chickens.
No, okay.
They chickened out. They didn't do it, dude.
Let me slow it down even more for you, okay?
30 cows in the field.
There's 30 cows
30.
In a field.
30.
30.
30 cows.
And 28 chickens. How many
of
didn't?
them ate chicken. 20 of them ate chickens. So 20 of these cows ate chickens. They consumed chicken. So how many didn't? 10.
Let's fire this thing up. Turn on our propane, ignite, there it goes. Then we can turn the other ones on and they will ignite themselves.
So now to preheat your griddle, you're gonna wanna wipe it clean, preheat, grab your griddle seasoning and spatulas.
Might need a little more than that.
You're gonna need a spoon.
Oh! Grab your spatula, quick. Grab your spatula. Oh. It's season hockey.
Season hockey. Hot potato, hot season. All right, I feel like we need more. After you've covered the griddle the first time, let it smoke off and burn off, and repeat that process 2 more times. After you've done it
At least.
Yeah, at least 2 more times.
Hey, there's a hair on there.
Oh, there is. That's an awfully long hair. Cameraman, after you've done it at least 3 times, you're ready to start cooking.
Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, let us know in the comment section below. If you like that video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more of our content as it's released, hit that notification bell. Consider being part of the Bender fam by subscribing to our channel. This is Dylan.
Brandon.
From Trailbenders Overland. Out. Look at it turn black. That must be why they call it Blackstone. This is kind of making me hungry.
Should we barbecue?
We should, but maybe let's wait till Friday. And maybe you'll all be invited.
Really?
Maybe. Check out our Instagram for updates. Check out all the Blackstone goodies we got too. This is just a small assortment of all the different things that they offer. We got a deep cleaning kit, a couple different sizes of spatulas, obviously the seasoning that we were using. Got this cool cover for when we're not using it, keep it from rusting. What do we put in here? Some ketchup, mustard, mayo. I wonder if relish would come out of that. And some more of the grease. Rear grease cup liners. Tool holder combo. These are magnetic, so they can go anywhere here on the side of the griddle. If you haven't yet, head over to our online store to check out the awesome gear we use and all the new merch. Link in the description below.